Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn about high pass, low pass and a band pass filter. And before that we need to know what do you mean by high pass filter, what do you mean by low pass filter, what do you mean by band pass filter. At first we need to know a high pass filter. Suppose this is a filter circuit, okay? Whatever the circuit it is designed, okay? This is input and this is output. Then if you provide a low frequency, okay, number of oscillation per unit time is low, okay. If you provide a low frequency and it is a low pass filter, okay, low pass filter, if this is a low pass filter, then the same amplitude of frequency will be out from the circuit, okay. If you provide a high frequency, suppose like this signal to this same one, then the signal will be passed but its amplitude will be low, okay, because it is blocking this type of high frequency because it is a low pass filter. Similarly, if it will be high pass filter, then this frequency will be same, the amplitude will be same, okay, amplitude will be same but its amplitude will be decreased, okay. Understood about the high pass filter and low pass filter? Low pass filter allows the low frequency and its amplitude will be same, okay, because it is low pass filter, blocks the higher level frequency by decreasing its amplitude. And another high pass filter, if it is a high pass filter, okay, high pass filter, then if you give a higher frequency, its amplitude will be same, okay, and all the thing will be same. I am talking about amplitude, although my this sine wave is wrong, but you need to generalize this concept, okay. Now let us see about this, okay, high pass filter. After that we'll see a low pass filter, okay. Here the low pass filter, because low pass filter means it allows the low frequency to pass and blocks the higher frequency, and we'll see how it is possible, okay. It is connected with the resistor and capacitor like this, okay, and from here we'll give a input voltage, and from here we'll get a output voltage. We know the nature of capacitor, okay. The capacitance can be calculated by the formula xc can be calculated by 1 by 2 pi fc. It means that if a frequency is more, okay, then capacitive reactance will be less. Then if frequency is less, capacitive reactance will be more. Then what happens? Let us see if the lower frequency is passed from here, okay. It goes from the resistor, and what happens? It tries to come towards the capacitor, but the capacitive reactance is higher for the lower frequency, so it do not allow to go down, so it opposes to send it to the outside, so there is no decrease in amplitude for this voltage output in the case of low pass filter. I repeat once, because if frequency is low, capacitive reactance is high, so it do not allow, it opposes the motion of those voltage, and it do not allow it to pass through it, so all the voltage will be passed outside. So what even if the frequency is high, then capacitive reactance will be low, okay, capacitance will be low. Then what even all the higher frequency will be dropped down to the ground, and the voltage output will have a lower frequency, okay. It is the simple concept, okay, of a low pass filter. Connect a resistor and capacitor like this, okay. And similarly, if you want to know about the high pass filter, then what we'll do, we'll connect a capacitance here and resistance here. Then what happen here? In this case same thing happens, okay. If a higher frequency, okay, if a lower frequency comes, then capacitive reactance will be high. Yes, it blocks the lower frequency and do not allow to pass full current, full voltage outside, because it is a high pass filter. Low frequency will be blocked by this capacitance, okay. It is inversely proportional, so that's why, okay. And what happen if a higher frequency comes from here, then capacitive reactance will be low. Capacitive reactance will be low. So as a order, this gives a minimum resistance and all the current, all the voltage will be given outside. So if a higher frequency, higher frequency means maximum number of this is supplied, then all the signal will be out. Okay, with the same amplitude. This amplitude is same. Okay, although I made some mistake, amplitude will be same because it is a high pass filter. High frequency will be passed out, but low frequency will not be passed out. Amplitude will be decreased. If this is a low frequency, what even its amplitude is decreased. Bigger, smaller, these two are same. Okay, now we are clear about the high pass filter and low pass filter and how this is possible with the help of this capacitance. This resistor is just the connector between a positive and negative circuit. Now we'll see about a band pass filter. Okay, how to know about this band pass filter? We have a two different type of band pass filter. I'll talk. Okay, here the capacitor and inductor are kept in series. Okay, LCR series, RLC or series LCR circuit. We should know the nature of inductor. Okay, inductor blocks a high level frequency, but inductor allows low frequency. Okay, frequency low will be allowed by the inductor, frequency higher frequency will be blocked by the inductor. But capacitor, what happen, it, if frequency is low, okay, it blocks, and higher frequency it allow. Okay, as we know already that if frequency is high, capacitive reactance will be low and it allow all the current to go out. Now let us see. Okay, this capacitor blocks the low level frequency. Okay, it blocks the high level frequency. Then what happens? What type of frequency will be out from here? Mid-range frequency, that is a not low not high but a band region, mid-range frequency will be out. So this type of filter is known as a band pass filter. Same thing can be band pass filter can be shown with the another term like this. Okay, parallel RLC. Here C and L is here. If a low level frequency is coming, then what happen? Capacitor do not blocks a low level frequency. Okay, if frequency is low, okay, capacitor blocks low level frequency, but inductor allows low level frequency. You see here, what even if a low level frequency comes from here, then inductor allows to flow through it because it gives a minimum resistance, so all low level frequency will be down. Okay, if high level frequency comes, then capacitor allows high level frequency to go down. So what even if high also down, low also down, then mid-range frequency will be out. So this type of filter is called a band pass filter. So today we have seen about low pass filter. Okay, low pass filter, high pass filter, and then we have seen about a band pass filter. So with this I want to stop this video. Okay, please leave a comment and don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, I'm very much thankful to you all. Okay, thank you.